Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 13 in Geometry Demystified, 2nd edition. Please see page 343. Consider a specific line N in Euclidean 3 space. Let X represent a point that does not lie on N. This is a situation so far just like that in the previous question, except the point and the line are named differently. Whenever we have a line like this and a point not on that line, the line and the point combined, assuming that the line is straight, define a geometric plane. In this case, with this drawing, the plane is the plane of the beige board on which I have drawn the illustration. The question asks us how many different lines can we find that pass through point X and run askew to line N. Well, by definition, two lines are askew if they do not intersect and they are not parallel. Well, if we find a line through point X in the plane defined by line N and point X, and if that line does not intersect line N, then that line will be parallel to line N. Not skew, but parallel. But any other line through point X, any line through point X that does not lie in this plane will in fact be askew to line N, and there are infinitely many such possibilities. So the correct choice in this situation is choice E, infinitely many. Skew lines go something like this. We might, for example, have a line coming out of the beige board like that marker does right now. That marker would lie in a line that is askew to N. Same thing here. Same thing here. Obviously, we can orient this marker infinitely many different ways to represent a line that goes through point X and runs askew to line N. So once again, infinitely many possibilities. Choice E is right.